Here I have Nokia G11, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap here to access its settings, and here you have burst shots. Long press on shutter does burst photos. So when you have this feature enabled to take a burst shot, just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So now I'm taking the burst shot. I took like 17 shots, I guess, and here we can view them all so easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.